US has appeared to pour cold water on the idea of Japan acquiring its own nukes, after a senior government official who advises Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi on security expressed a personal opinion that Tokyo should possess the powerful weapons. Queried about the comments by the Japan Times, a US State Department spokesperson did not directly address the remarks, but praised Japan for its stance on nuclear non-proliferation. Japan is a global leader and a valuable partner to the United States on nuclear non-proliferation and advancing nuclear arms control, the spokesperson said in an email Saturday. As the national security strategy makes clear, the United States will maintain the world's most robust, credible, and modern nuclear deterrent to protect America and our allies, including Japan. The US-Japan alliance, the official added, is the cornerstone of peace and security in the Indo-Pacific. The Japanese official, an advisor on national security matters to Takaichi, told reporters in an off-the-record exchange Thursday that Japan should acquire nuclear weapons, but also called the idea unrealistic and noted that there was no discussion within the government on the possibility, local media reported. The official reportedly emphasized what Japan says is an increasingly severe, regional security environment, pointing to China's growing nuclear capabilities, as well as the nuclear threats posed by Russia and North Korea. Ultimately, it is up to Japan to defend itself, the official was quoted as saying in one report. Asked at a regular news conference to confirm the reports, Chief Cabinet Secretary Minoru Kihara declined to comment but said the government upholds its long-standing commitment to its three non-nuclear principles of not possessing, producing or allowing the entry of nuclear weapons. Opposition parties have urged the government to dismiss the unidentified official. While Takaichi's government has said it is abiding by the principles, in November the Prime Minister herself sidestepped a commitment to maintain them, apparently over concerns about the reliability of the US nuclear umbrella. Takaichi said during questioning in Parliament that, as her government gears up to revise the country's key national security documents by the end of 2026, it is not yet at the stage where she could definitively state that the wording of the principles will remain the same. Takaichi's decision not to explicitly endorse the principles was notable considering she wrote in her 2024 book, Kokuryoku Kenkyu, National Strength Research, that not allowing nuclear weapons introduction into Japan is unrealistic if we expect the US to offer us extended deterrence, a reference to the US nuclear umbrella. I'm concerned that the phrase, upholding the three non-nuclear principles could become an obstacle if we were to face an extreme crisis, she wrote. Asked Friday about possible revisions to the three principles, Defense Minister Shinjiro Koizumi told a news conference that the government was committed to upholding them as a policy guideline, but said that all options would be discussed. It is only natural for us to explore all options without ruling any out and to engage in discussions to protect the lives and peaceful livelihoods of the Japanese people, he said.
That's the news for now. Thanks for being with us. The news continues on this channel. Have a great time.